Welcome back to Everything House. It's Marco again. I'm excited. I got a new toy. Played with it a little bit. I got a little comfortable with it, and I just wanted to show you guys. I found a good deal on it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. This is a planer. Okay, so what does a planer do? Planer will take off whatever setting of wood you put on it. Okay, it will take it off of the wood. Example. So say you have a piece of wood that has some imperfections on it, or it's not exactly flat, it'll plane them out, hence the term planer. So it's very simple. In this particular machine, this is made by WEN. I use this to actually build all my furniture. It's very handy. This particular model, it's very simple. So you have this arrow here, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and put your wood underneath that arrow, okay? Now, this knob here raises and lowers the blades, okay? And that's how you're doing your setting for how much wood you're going to take off of this, okay? So you're going to put this wood underneath the arrow and then lower this down. And as you lower it, the meter here will tell you how much you're going to take off, okay? On this particular machine, the directions say a 32nd of an inch per pass is recommended, okay? So just make a couple passes if you want to go to a 16th or an 8th, right? Another trick, something my father taught me. So that's important to know, right? 32nd of an inch. On a tool you're not going to use all the time, all right? Say a planer. It's important to be able to readily have that information when you go to use it. So just write it out right on the machine. So I just took a black marker and I wrote right on there. The minimum length of board is 15 inches for this machine. They want 32nd of an inch per pass is recommended, and then always cut with the grain. Wrote it down there, never forget it. And I only need to know it when I use the machine. Great. So let's go ahead and get the party started. So we're going to go to 32nd of an inch, okay, which is right there, as you can see. Don't put it in yet, okay, leave it out there. Just use it to set, all right. Now, planer makes a lot of dust, makes a lot of chips, okay. So I highly recommend, if you don't, and in your own shop, get yourself a vacuum, okay. I got a little shop vac here, rigid. I got a Home Depot, it's great, works well. And then do yourself a favor, get some extra filters, because as you're going to wash, you can wash one, let it dry overnight. You can grab another filter and still keep working. Otherwise, you can't vacuum with a wet filter. Let's go ahead and try it. Let me know how it works. So let's go get the party started. I just got a scrap piece of wood here. I'm going to show you an example of how it works. Let's see if you can see this in the camera. It has a lot of imperfections, okay? It's very rough, never been sanded, nothing like that, okay? Let's go ahead and run it through, and then I'll show you afterwards. Okay, we're at 32nd of an inch. Good. So after one pass, it's a lot smoother. Went ahead and smoothed it out. That's the purpose of this. So it's a great tool. You're not going to use it a whole lot in your shop unless you're doing like fine furniture, things like that. However, it's very useful to have. It's something I just want to try. I want to go ahead and see if it will take all the stain off in one pass, and I want to see how far it soaked in. Yeah, I want to see how far it soaked in. So yeah, I just did a video on how to stain. So this is the scrap piece. Let's see what happens. Okay, 30 seconds. Here we go. Look at that. No more stain, one pass. So it's also a stain remover. Have fun, guys. I'll see you soon.